Oyster River Ecology is happy to partner with local restaurants to recycle oyster shells for oyster habitat restoration. Here's how it works. Instead of oyster shells going in the trash, they are collected in specially marked buckets. ORE staff and volunteers collect the shells from the restaurants. From there, they are taken to a stockpile, and shells cure in the sun for 6 months. After curing in the sun, each shell is given one hole with a drill and they are arranged on stakes. This is called a vertical oyster garden anchor, or VOGA. We make thousands of VOGAs with the help of dedicated volunteers and curious students. VOGAs are loaded into ORE's red bags, put onto boats, then taken to our permitted oyster restoration sites. VOGAs are placed in shallow waters of our local estuaries. These areas are well suited for oyster growth. ORE staff and volunteers install VOGAs on a 1-foot grid within the permit-approved oyster restoration areas. VOGAs provide a hard substrate, aka cultch, for free-floating larval oysters to attach and grow into adult oysters over time. Commercially grown seed oysters are added when needed to help the process along. Several generations of oyster growth leads to restored functioning oyster reefs. Restored oyster reefs improve water quality by filtering millions of gallons of water every day. Oyster reefs also provide habitat and food chain support for many other species with commercial and recreational values. Oyster River Ecology is able to conduct large-scale oyster habitat restoration with multiple partnerships and through donor support of our mission. Please consider donating to Oyster River Ecology to help us restore the ecological health of our waterways. To donate, go to www.oysterriverecology.org. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for real-time project updates on all of our programs. Thanks for listening.